Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to locate your misplaced earbuds using either location or Bluetooth. So in this video, let's learn how to do this. To start this process, remember that you should have the AI Life app and it should be registered using your Huawei ID, and at least once the Freebuds should be connected using the AI Life. To begin, go to your AI Life app and select the device you want to search for, then scroll down to find the option Find My Device. Now once you have opened it, you will see a list of all the devices available. Select the device you want to find and you will be able to see the location of your buds on the map. If the buds are connected to Bluetooth, you can choose to play sound and it will make some noise that is something like this. Like this, it will be helpful for you to find the device easily. So that's it for today. I hope you found this video useful. So give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and follow me on my social media handles. Yes, if you are interested in tech news or having some tech related questions, you can join our Telegram channel where we host a show called Tech Talk with TNS every Saturday at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, where not only your questions will be answered, but you will also learn about other interesting things in the tech world. Alright, thanks for watching. This is Manish and you're watching Technspice. Let's meet in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.